because it's Christmas, so I'm going to do a flower arrangement for my table for the Christmas Eve. Of course, it's made from my garden, and I have beautiful color on these flowers, and I will arrange it so that can you see the table. If when you arrangement your table on the Christmas Eve, you have already a flower. Beautiful. Kasi, ayan, ang hirap mag-invest. Guys, gagawa ko ng flower arrangement para sa akin.